Imagine a magnificent city swallowed by the sea in a single day and night. This is the story of Atlantis, a tale that has captivated people for centuries. Was it real or just a myth? The mystery of Atlantis continues to fascinate and inspire us. For some, it's a lost paradise. For others, it's a warning from the past. But for everyone, it's a reminder of the power of the ocean and the secrets that lie beneath the waves. The story of Atlantis has been told and retold for generations. It's a story of advanced civilization, powerful kings, and a tragic fall from grace. The legend of Atlantis is a powerful one, capturing the imagination and sparking debate among historians, archaeologists, and adventurers alike. Could a place like Atlantis have really existed? The search for answers takes us from the depths of the ocean to the pages of ancient texts. Our journey begins with the Greek philosopher Plato. Writing in the 4th century BC, Plato described Atlantis in his dialogues, Timaeus and Critias. He tells us Atlantis was a powerful island nation, founded by demigods. The Atlanteans were known for their advanced technology, stunning architecture, and powerful navy. Their capital city was a marvel of engineering, with concentric rings of canals, magnificent palaces, and glittering temples. According to Plato, the Atlanteans grew arrogant and greedy. They sought to conquer Athens and other lands, but the Athenians, though outnumbered, fought bravely and defeated the Atlanteans. As punishment for their hubris, the gods unleashed a terrible earthquake and floods. In a single day and night, the once great island of Atlantis disappeared beneath the waves. If Atlantis did exist, where was it? Plato's writings place Atlantis beyond the Pillars of Hercules, generally thought to refer to the Strait of Gibraltar. This has led researchers to focus on locations in and around the Mediterranean Sea. Some believe Atlantis may lie submerged beneath the Aegean Sea, perhaps connected to the Minoan civilization on Crete. Others point to underwater ruins off the coast of Spain or Morocco. However, the search for Atlantis extends far beyond the Mediterranean. Some theorists propose locations in the Atlantic Ocean, including the Azores, the Canary Islands, and even the Caribbean. Others suggest Antarctica, once a warmer continent, could hold the key to the lost city. Each theory has its proponents, offering intriguing evidence and interpretations of ancient texts and geological formations. Section 4. Fact or fiction. The debate over Atlantis's existence is fierce. Many scholars dismiss Plato's account as an allegory, a moral tale about the dangers of hubris and the fleeting nature of power. They argue that no archaeological evidence supports the existence of a technologically advanced civilization like Atlantis in the timeframe suggested by Plato. Some suggest the story of Atlantis could be inspired by real events, such as the volcanic eruption of Thera, modern-day Santorini, which devastated the Minoan civilization. However, proponents of Atlantis point to geological anomalies, ancient myths from different cultures, and Plato's own insistence that his story was true. They argue that we have yet to fully explore the ocean floor and may yet uncover evidence of this lost civilization. The lack of definitive proof only deepens the intrigue surrounding Atlantis. Could it be that the remnants of this once great city lie hidden beneath the waves waiting to be discovered? Section 5. Atlantis in the 21st century, new tools for an old mystery. Today, the search for Atlantis continues with renewed vigor. Advanced technologies such as sonar mapping, deep-sea submersibles, and underwater robotics allow us to explore the ocean floor like never before. Satellite imagery helps identify potential underwater structures and anomalies. These tools provide unprecedented access to the depths, revealing hidden landscapes and long-lost secrets. As we develop even more advanced technologies, our ability to locate and identify underwater structures will only improve. Perhaps soon, we will have the tools needed to definitively prove or disprove the existence of Atlantis. Until then, the mystery of the lost city continues to captivate our imaginations and fuel our desire to uncover the secrets of the past. Section 6. Atlantis, an enduring enigma. The story of Atlantis is a powerful reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in our world. Whether a real place or a cautionary tale, Atlantis continues to fascinate and inspire. The search for the lost city is a journey into the depths of our oceans and the depths of our own imagination. Perhaps one day the truth about Atlantis will be revealed. Until then, the legend lives on, a testament to the enduring power of myth and the human desire to unravel the secrets of the past. What do you think? Was Atlantis real or just a myth? The debate continues, and the mystery of Atlantis remains unsolved.